Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that yesterday you braced for impact because as you can see we dipped further down. But what can you do when you are in this kind of situation? When you bought the dip, but that wasn't the dip. Now for that I'm gonna share one strategy which I'm using in order to try to increase the value of my portfolio even though I'm already all in and we are continuously going down. So stay with me. Obviously, before we dive in, I need to ask you to subscribe, to press the subscribe button because 60% of you who are watching the videos are not subscribed, and it would be a huge help for me and for the channel to develop and to grow. Now let's go and check the charts. I just make my face a bit smaller. As you can see, Bitcoin went down to the 55,000. Now it's at 57,000 something. It's painful. It's painful a bit, but it's not the end of the world because we had only pump and sideways, and we didn't have a proper correction for some time now, since end of September, and right now we are already at the end of November. In 2017, before the big pump, we also had a 20% correction, which more or less is fulfilled, almost. We are at the 18%, but I hope that this will be the bottom. Nothing shows better that this is the bottom than the crypto fear and greed index. Now, this is proper fear. We were at around 10 extreme fear back in April or May when Bitcoin went down to the 30,000s. Now, as you can see, everybody is getting used to the pump, and yeah, 15-20% correction is already taking the index from extreme greed to fear. This is not bad actually if we go back afterwards. I mean up, obviously. Now let's just check the others. The Ethereum obviously is following Bitcoin's price. It's at 4,100. To be honest, I was thinking that after such crash from Bitcoin, which isn't even too big, but it's significant, I think Ethereum would be at the 3,500s. But it's not. It's at the 4,000s. It is holding the 4,000s. That is something which is I really like to see. Now Elrond is pretty strong. I don't know what is happening with Elrond. Obviously it's probably because of Maiar DEX, but Elrond is almost at the all-time high, which is the 340. Now we are at the 328 and going up, probably because the Maiar swap will be activated today. The Maiar DEX swap option or feature will be activated today, and people are buying Elrond so they can swap it for MEX and maybe use it for staking, or to use it in the lottery, or I don't know, later to buy HoloRide tokens. This is obviously a very good news. I wouldn't think that with Bitcoin going down 20%, Elrond would still be in this 300 above 300 area. And just for a small comparison, and I don't want to be rude or something, but if we check Cardano, well, this is what happens when the project team or the project doesn't really deliver, and it's just nothing to announce, and nothing happens, nothing big happens. When the whole hype about Sunday swap and the other swaps and the other DEXs were announced, then obviously it pumped up to the $3, and after that nothing happened. After that they announced that it will be just the test until next year or something, and since then Cardano is going continuously down. I'm a bit sorry for them. I hope that the bull run, if the pump starts, will somehow drag Cardano out of this downwards pattern. But if nothing happens, then I don't have high hopes. I don't hold Cardano right now, to be honest. Okay, so let's see what can you do when this type of crash or dump is happening and you don't have more stable coins to buy the dip to get a better dollar cost average. Well, obviously what you can do is to start trading between Bitcoin and the altcoins. And for that I have another list. I just put here a couple of coins, and what you need to do is just to watch what is happening. One of them is growing, or one of them is dumping less than the other, I mean to Bitcoin. Therefore you can always trade between Bitcoin and altcoins. And in the end, I'm not saying that the value of your portfolio will go up drastically, but it can. But you will have more altcoins or more Bitcoin at the end. And when everything starts to go up, or either of them starts to go up, then obviously your portfolio will go up faster than only just watching the dip and waiting for it to go back and have a better dollar value for the whole portfolio you have. So this is what I am doing. Probably many of you are familiar with this. You can also trade altcoin to Bitcoin as you trade altcoin to USDT or Bitcoin to USDT. The result is that you will have either more Bitcoin or more altcoins. Okay, don't forget that today we have the swap activated on Maiar DEX, and probably this is what is happening the price. And later today I will probably come back with a live video just to try out the swap feature. Maybe you can ask me some questions regarding the liquidity, the farms, the strategy, how to do this and that. So stay tuned, because I will put a scheduled live event. Turn on your notifications next to the subscribe button, and we can have a chat. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you are okay. Hope you are not panicking. Yeah, we need to go through these times, and then everything is pink clouded. So yeah, sit on your hands. Think about the strategy. If you are not familiar, if you don't like it, don't do it, because then you might reduce your bags, your holding bags. But if you want to try out with a smaller sum, then yeah, it's always good to learn something new. Thank you again for watching, and I hope that I see you tonight. Take care.